fight dengue. Magkakaroon naman tayo ng tag-ulan ngayon, dadami na naman ang dengue cases. Actually, before I entered government, nagkasakit din yung anak ko. Serious nagkasakit ng dengue. That's why na-feel ko talaga yung mga parents sa mga nagkakasakit ng dengue. We developed a relatively simple, even from the start, we designed it to be simple. We call it OB trap or mosquito trap. Ito ay kulay itim, parang baso siya na kulay itim, kaya siya itim, this attracts mosquitoes. We develop a solution, organic solution, binalagay lang sa loob. Yung organic solution, may fumes yan which further attracts the mosquito to lay their eggs there. At meron itong lawanit, na parati siya nababasag. So, this whole contraption attracts mosquitoes to lay their eggs. Pag mag-lay naman sila ng eggs, pag bumaba yung mga eggs nila doon sa solution, namamatay. 80% namamatay. Yung 20% nagiging stunted na. Hindi na makakalipad. Although mabubuhay yon, hindi makakalipad. So, almost 100% magiging harmless na yung mga itlog o yung mga itlog ng lamok. So, in effect, ang aming goal dito is to be able to reduce the population of the mosquitoes. Now, this cost, maybe the whole thing costs only 10 pesos. A household maybe would be needing 3 to 4 sets. Yung ating sachet, yung ating organic sachet costs only 1 peso. You need to change the solution every week. So, it's only 1 peso per week. So, kung tatlo yung ilalagay sa bahay nyo, you're talking about 3 pesos per week. Pwede na. Kaya naman ginawa namin to 1 week. Actually, it can last up to 10 days para lang din natin makalimutan kung kailan tayo magpapalit. We have field tested this in Quezon City and in Marikina, and maganda yung ating results, and also in Los Baños. Our scientists now are making the scientific publication para lang i-presentar yung kanilang studies. Kasi we had 3 field tests. One in, sabi ko kanina, Marikina, Quezon City, and the other one is in Los Baños. In Los Baños, this was handled by one of the main entomologists natin na scientist, si Dr. Lilia de las Llagas, who is now the secretary of the UP system. Anyway, she will also be making a scientific publication, including the computation nila na reduction of the population. Yung sa namin agency naman, ITDI, will also be making a publication also on the results of the Marikina and Quezon City. Now, we roll out namin ito initially sa Tacloban because may mga areas doon talaga, it's almost a year-long yung problema doon. And we have launched it also in additional 5, Davao, maybe additional 5 regions. So, we are closely collaborating with DOH wherein they will be starting to distribute this all over the country then. So, ang distribution dito, initially coming from DOST, but eventually DOH and the LGUs. We are now talking to private sectors para technology transfer namin. Eventually, this will be taken over by the private sectors.